Every sunrise, nature gives us a beautiful invitation, a glimmering reminder of the potential of a new day. These gifts from the earth are scattered everywhere. If you look closely, you notice the butterfly's dance as it feeds on nectar, the flower's bloom that draws pollinators into her beauty, and the stream's shimmering rhythm. This is what creativity means to us. It is the art of noticing. It is seeing the beauty of the everyday, noticing the small wonders of the world around us, and honouring this magic.
I wish I knew you before the mountain. I wish I knew you before the stars. And had I seen you with you,
we imitate the artful way that nature interacts in every element of our lives. Our hands dance across the garden, digging a hole for a seedling or collecting flowers for a vase. With joy, they plant trees, chop wood, fix fences, and build structures. In constant movement, our bodies become a brush for life's ever-evolving artwork. This is how we return the gifts of nature. We pause, we notice, grateful for the setting sun and the feeling of the ground beneath our feet. We see the clouds, trees, and stars as an affirmation of our purpose, to sing these songs back to the earth.
I wanna see what you can. All those other nights were when I just can't do it to my heart again. Couldn't keep my eyes from you at the door. Goddamn lashes for you. God-given laws. I wish I.
So we have some really exciting news this week. We've been working on this for a long time, but we've turned my paintings into these beautiful fine art prints. And I can't believe how beautifully they've turned out. I've been dreaming of this for many years, but seeing them in person is just amazing. I made these paintings, a lot of them I made for our book, so I planned to paint them really large and then have them come down to a smaller size. And it's just worked out so beautifully. You can kind of see it's picked up all the beautiful detail and colour, and in some ways I like the printed version more. There's something special about being able to take in the whole image in this smaller size. We've had so many people asking for these prints for so long, and I'm so excited to make them available for sale for everybody. They're available in 3 sizes, this smaller size, the medium, and then the large, which is so beautiful. And they're printed on this really beautiful museum quality paper. So the quality is just stunning. You can see all of the brush strokes and the light and every special little piece. This is one of my favourite parts of any painting I've ever made, and just seeing it in reproduction is really amazing.
You can purchase many painting prints through the link in our bio or on motherthemountain.com. There are so many different options of Julia's enchanting paintings, and you can choose different sizes too. There is free shipping worldwide, and we just can't wait to share them with you.
You can buy them by following the link in our description, and they have free shipping worldwide. Everything's super easy, and I'm just so excited to imagine these prints hanging in people's homes all around the world.
The night was open, the rain was falling upon our shoulders and in my eyes. I've been hoping for this moment. I could have so soon I knew you'd be mine.
Our life has become a collection of artful moments. Restoring the rainforest has started to feel like a dance. As we plant a tree, our hands compress the soil around its tender roots in a rhythmic movement. We hold the future landscapes in our mind as if we are composing a painting. We imagine a mulberry tree's long limbs will reach for the sky, while a bunya pine's dark foliage will shadow this ridgeline for centuries to come. And it is as if the earth dances back. Rain showers down, watering the saplings with its prosperity. Sun reaches softly, fueling their growth with potent force.
My heart, don't regret it. My mind doesn't sweat. I couldn't know a sweeter love if I met from the things that I wish that I loved. Oh, if I there's nothing I can do. My heart, if
I made this kind of rough study when I was down at the creek, and now I feel like I'm ready to kind of use it as a basis but add a lot more detail and depth to the painting. I'm actually not so used to working on such a small scale. Usually my paintings are like really grand and big, so this is an experiment. I think it's good for me because I like the idea of painting plein air and going and taking my canvas somewhere and really absorbing the feeling of a place. So hopefully I achieved that with this one.
Stop holding that pillow.
Thank you for watching, and you can buy Julia's art prints or our book through the link in our description. The music in this video is by our friend Indira Elias, and her links are in the description too. Thank you so much to our patrons who support us on our tree planting journey.